So luckily, there are a number of foods that we know that can be beneficial for, can be anti-inflammatory.
Mm.
And luckily, these are also foods that are just normal components of a healthy diet too. And so there won't be any shocking foods there. So I like to categorize the foods that are anti-inflammatory into three buckets. So the first would be antioxidants. The second is fiber, and then the third are monounsaturated fatty acids. So antioxidants are really important for your body because they protect your body tissues from damage caused by free radicals by inhibiting the oxidation of them. And so we want to eat foods that are high in antioxidants. And two important vitamins that are antioxidants are vitamin C and vitamin E. So foods that are high in vitamin C are foods like strawberries, oranges, and dark leafy green vegetables, which are all components of a healthy diet too. And then sources of vitamin E are things like seeds, nuts, and oil. So those are foods that are under the antioxidant bucket. Then there is fiber. So fiber is also beneficial for your inflammation, actually because of where it gets digested.
Mm.
So fiber is digested in your gut by bacteria in there. And so when you eat more fiber, you are promoting a diverse microbiome in your gut. So that good bacteria in your gut is actually great for lowering your levels of inflammation. And then the final one is monounsaturated fatty acids. So monounsaturated fatty acids are associated with lower levels of inflammation, so lower levels of CRP. Those are the healthy fats. So those are the healthy fats that are found in olive oil, avocados, some nuts, and chia seeds. So those are the foods um, that are really great for your inflammation and try to keep those levels low. But then on the flip side, there are food components that we want to avoid
Right.
in order to keep your inflammation levels low. So going off of what we were talking about for monounsaturated fatty acids, those are the healthy fats. In order to improve our inflammation, we want to limit our diet of saturated fats. So saturated fats are considered the bad fats.
Right.
And so those are the ones that contribute to those higher cholesterol levels, like we talked about earlier, where when you have excess of bad cholesterol, it starts to increase your inflammation and cause plaque buildup, etc. So we definitely want to avoid foods high in saturated
Right.
fat. We also want to avoid foods that are high in refined sugars and foods that are high in excess calories that don't have a ton of nutrients with them as well.